Welcome to my review of the Krazy Coupon Lady. If you're someone who loves to find great deals and save money on your shopping, this website might have popped up on your radar. In this video, I'll show you exactly what the site has to offer, how it works, and whether it's a good tool for your online shopping needs. First off, the Krazy Coupon Lady is a well-known site dedicated to helping users find the best coupons and deals for a wide range of online and in-store shopping. The homepage is pretty straightforward, with various categories like grocery, beauty, clothing, and more. It's easy to navigate and gives you instant access to the latest coupon codes and offers from major retailers. One feature that stands out is the store directory. Here, you can browse through a list of stores and see the available coupons for each one. There's also a section for trending deals, which is nice if you're not sure where to start. But there's a catch. The site doesn't always have as many coupons for certain smaller or niche retailers. While big names like Amazon and Walmart are well covered, if you're after something more specific, you might have to dig a little deeper or look elsewhere. In terms of user experience, I'd say the Krazy Coupon Lady could use a bit of refinement. The site can feel a bit cluttered at times, especially with all the ads and pop-ups. While they're not overwhelming, they do take away from the overall clean look of the site. If you're someone who doesn't like distractions, this could be a turn-off. The search function is decent but not perfect. You can search for specific items or stores, but the results aren't always as relevant as I'd like them to be. I found that it can be a bit hit or miss when trying to find the exact coupon you need. One thing that I do appreciate about the Krazy Coupon Lady is the inclusion of expert tips and advice. The site isn't just about finding coupons. It also provides valuable guidance on how to get the most out of your discounts and save even more in the long run. This is definitely helpful for beginners who might not know all the ins and outs of couponing. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another positive aspect is the community-driven content. You'll find user reviews and comments on the coupons, which can give you a better idea of whether they're worth using. This feature adds a layer of trust and transparency that's often lacking on similar sites. However, there are some downsides. While there are a lot of great deals on the Krazy Coupon Lady, the site's heavy reliance on affiliate links can sometimes make you feel like you're being pushed towards certain retailers. It's not a huge issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a more neutral platform. Overall, the Krazy Coupon Lady is a solid resource for those looking to save money on everyday purchases, especially if you're into couponing. The site offers a lot of useful deals, but the cluttered interface and occasional lack of variety in coupon offerings might be a turnoff for some users. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see more honest reviews like this one, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.